and welcome back. B-Town stars have been keeping this bee pretty busy with all their shenanigans, and we wouldn't like it any other way. From Salman Khan's airport incident landing a CISF officer in trouble to Tom Cruise digging into chicken tikka at Asha Bhosle's restaurant, Ranveer Singh giving us husband goals with his Nashe Si Chadh Gayi groove, here are the top stories of the day. Remember the officer who hit headlines last week for stopping Salman Khan for a security check at the airport? Well, now he has apparently landed in trouble. Buzz is that the CISF has seized the officer's phone for talking to the media, which is apparently a breach of protocol. Meanwhile, Sallu was spotted hitting the streets of Russia with the team and nephew Nirvan in tow. Katrina, on the other hand, was also seen playing the perfect tourist, enjoying her day out about the neighborhood. Jet-setting off to Birmingham, our bees spotted Tom Cruise at Asha Bhosle's fine dining restaurant. The Mission Impossible star reportedly took a break from his shoot to enjoy a plate of chicken tikka masala. And because he loved it so much, he reportedly ordered up a second serving, much to the restaurant's delight. Reacting to the same, Asha said, "I was very happy to hear that Mr. Tom Cruise enjoyed his fine dining experience at Asha's, and I look forward to him visiting us again soon." The celeb spotting, however, left fans on social media second-guessing if the man in question really was Tom or just a look-alike. The photo sparked off a debate, with some saying that is 100% not Tom Cruise, while another replied and said 100% is. We'll leave the internet to decide if Tom Cruise eating chicken tikka is real or no. What we can assure you is that we have found the cutest sibling picture of all time. Hold on to your heart, because Soha Ali Khan dropped this gorgeous photo of baby Jay celebrating his first Rakhi with big sis Inaya. We also got a photo of the cutie tying a Rakhi for her big brother Tim. Although it didn't have her squishing his cheeks or kissing his nose, we loved all the cutesy Star Kid content just the same. Who's in a mood for romance? We got word that Ahan Shetty and Tara Sutaria's Tadap has now got a new release date. Originally set to hit theatres screens next week, the film is now slated for a December 3 release. Because December is a tad too far for a little bit of romance, we decided to spice up your feed with this video of Ranveer Singh trying to woo wifey Deepika Padukone to the tunes of Nashe Si Chadh Gayi. The viral video is not only giving fans all the feels, but also had Ranveer setting the bar super high and giving us all major husband goals. We'll let you appreciate these videos of Ranveer dancing and see you all tomorrow. So bye for now.